Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And hey, we may hear from the puppies today. If you are my returning friends, well thank you very much. I really appreciate you very, very much. And if you're new here, I would ask you to consider subscribing. We do lots of different things here on this channel, including unboxings and some hauls, some beauty, some collaborations, and some battles. So we have quite a few things going on here. Today, I'm going to show you a haul from TJ Maxx. Yeah, I got me a super duper bag here, and I'm going to show it to you. I got some good deals. I spent about $87, and I got a variety of things, but mostly, I think, snacks. That's a big thing when I go to TJ Maxx or to Marshall's. But in this little wrapped package, I found this cutest little pumpkin. And you might not can tell, it's carved out of wood, but it is a pinkish color. And I just love that. And I thought it would go, you know, even with my glossy box back there that's a little pink. I've got a few other little pink accents in my decoration. So I thought that would go in there. And I don't know that this was on sale. I think I paid regular price. It was $6.99. But it was just so cute, I just had to have it. So that's item number one. That there is the only, I guess, home good product that I bought. The rest of this is going to be a bunch of snacks. Okay, guys, I found the Brazzini Nut Mix. This is a delicious mix of raisins and fresh assorted nuts. It has peanuts, walnuts, sunflower seeds, pepitas, and cashews. I think pepitas are like pumpkin seeds. That's what I consider them to be. And it's got safe ingredients. It's just roasted peanuts and then all the nuts, the sunflower seeds, cashews, whole pumpkin seeds. So yeah, the pepititas, that's what that is. But anyway, I got that, and the cost on this was $3.99. It says its regular price is $5. So I saved about $1 and a penny. My next item that I'm pulling out of here was some Starbucks coffee. Now guys, I got a good deal on this. This was $6.99. This is vanilla flavored, and at my Kroger and other stores, I usually have to pay $9.99 or somewhere around that area for some Starbucks vanilla flavored coffee, and I love my flavored coffees. The next item I already opened up and had to have a little snack, and it was Brazzini dark chocolate almonds. It's toasted almonds drenched in dark chocolate, and I love it. And this too is all good ingredients, so I just love it when it's clean. This is $4.99 and it was $6.50, so I saved like $1.50. But you know, when you go to the store, a package of this, like at Target, would be like almost $10. So I really feel that you save a lot more than what they say on the package. The next item I bought two of these. These were Emmy's Organics. They're soft, chewy coconut cookies, and I love coconut. And these are vanilla bean flavored. And I just feel real certain that I'm going to love these. They've got all good everything, and y'all know I'm real choosy. I have to be because I don't want to be sick. And it tells you all the goodness that's in there, and it's USD organic, gluten-free, non-GMO. It's vegan. It's just wonderful. So I can't wait to try those out. I got 2 packages of that. There's the other one. The next item I'm pulling out of here is I bought me some more coffee. Now this is Moose Munch Gourmet Coffee. I think I have had this before. I'm not certain. And I've gotten real choosy on my coffees because sometimes you can buy coffees at the TJ Maxx or Marshall's and they're not really that good. So I'm going to test this out. I think I have had the Moose Munch Gourmet brand. And this was $6.99, and you compare it to $9. So, I mean, it is a good deal, as long as it tastes good. The next item I'm pulling out of here, this was in the clearance, and you can see that was $2.50. So I got a really good deal on this. This is almond butter. So it's like almond chocolate honey patties. So I thought it was almond butter, but it's actually dark chocolate with almonds and honey. Ooh, Well, that's going to be very good. I'm going to love eating that. And of course, you got your USDA certified, non-GMO, and all the other, I guess, signs for being clean, which that's what I want, is clean food. I want clean snacks because I can't just eat any old snack. And then these are some of my favorites, guys. Oh my gosh, these are so good. If you like dark chocolate caramels, these salted caramels are so good. And it's called the Small Batch Wonders, and it is a wonder. And then there's the information on there. It's kettle cooked, got no artificial colors or preservatives, made with real cream butter. The next item I'm pulling out of here is Heavenly Hunks. And I had this from Marshall's. I found them at TJ Maxx, and these are delicious. These are my favorite. I eat these for breakfast. Shame on me, right? But they're so good. And I love them. It is oatmeal white chip. I just feel like I'm having my oatmeal in the morning. It's supposed to be good for your heart. And on here we have the same signs like non-GMO, it's organic, it's vegan, so gluten-free. And like I said, I just love these. I got 2 packs of this. This was $6.99, I believe. Yeah, and compared to $8.99, so I saved $2. And on these caramels, they were $4.99 compared to $6, so I saved $1. And I got 2 packs of this. My last item in here, as far as food goes, is I have this other Heavenly Hunks. Like I told you, I got 2 of those. I'm going to have some healthy snacks for a little while there. Some of this is new, and I can't wait to try it out. Now, I did find me a little outfit. On the clearance rack, I found this cute little white tank top. Isn't that cute? It's got little bows up at the top, and it's just kind of like a cotton blend shirt, and I just think that's really cute. And I found some linen cotton shorts to go with it, and now I just think that's going to be cute. That'll be cute for around here. That'll be cute going on my trips. This was $13.99, and this here was marked down to $8. So, and it looks like it was comparable to $24, and this one was comparable to $24 too, but it was only marked down to $13. So they were proud of these shorts. So now they're mine, and I'm real pleased with my order. I'm real pleased with my shopping. In this case, I was at the store physically. So guys, that's all I had on my TJ Maxx haul. What do you think? Did you have a favorite item? Did you like all my little snacks? I think they're really good. I'll just have to say this is one of my favorite things though, because it was just so unique. And I love that it's like hand-carved piece of wood. And whether it's real wood, I'm not sure. It says decorative outdoor sells pumpkins. That's all it says. It doesn't say if it's real wood or not. It just says compared to $9. And I got it for $6.99. So I did get a deal, even though it wasn't on sale. Well, guys, that's all I have today for my little TJ Maxx haul. And don't forget to check my descriptions because I have a giveaway going on and you can enter to win. Let me know what your favorite item was. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.